First of all, name of Allah, Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about CSS height, width, and maximum width. In body section, we will use div element, open tag, and close div element tag. Between div element tag, we will use p element, open and close p tag. In p tag, we will use text, dummy text, just for learning, paste, and we will use CSS, internal CSS in head section, style tag, and close tag. Div represent to this div element, which will control all CSS and apply CSS on this div. Open curly braces and close. We will use property and property value height. First of all, we use width column 100 px 100%, sorry, 100% semicolon, and height column 50 px semicolon, and use background color column RGB 123, 122, 93, semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. This div element has a height of 50 pixel and width of 100%. The CSS height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element. The CSS maximum width property is used to set the maximum width of an element. The height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element. The height and width property don't include padding, border, or margin. It sets the height, width, the area inside the padding, border, and margin of the element. Now we will use auto instead 100%, auto, and height in 200, 200, and save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. The browser calculates the height and width automatically set width and height. Now we will use instead auto width approximately 500 pixel and height 100 pixel and background color as it is. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. This element has a height of 100 pixel and a width of 500 pixel. The height and width properties don't include padding, border, or margin. The set the height, width of the area inside the padding, border, and margin of the element. The maximum width property is used to set the maximum width of an element. The maximum width can be specified in length value like pixel, centimeter, or in percentage of the containing block, or set to none. This default means that there is no maximum width. The problem with the div above occurs when the browser window is smaller than the width of using maximum width. Instead, in this site width will improve the browser handling of small window. This element has a height of 100 pixel and a maximum width of 500 pixel. If we, for some reason, use both the width property and the maximum width property on the same element and value of the width property is larger than the maximum width, property, the maximum width property will be used and the width property will be ignored. Now we will drag the browser window to smaller than 500px width to see the difference between the two height 100px and maximum width 100px.